to. Guys, fragile daw siya. So, ayan. Bubuksan natin siya. I'm using actually one hand lang para mabuksan natin siya. Ito kasi guys is plastic, no? Inuman ng manok. So, we'll see kung paano natin siya i-open. Ayan. Fragile daw. So, pag walang video and sira ito guys, hindi natin siya pwedeng ibalik. Okay? Hindi natin siya pwedeng ibalik pag walang video. So, we will open it with videos siya. Ayan. So, may bubble wrap naman siya. I think wala tong sira. Hopefully. Ayan. Pero syempre, depende po yan guys kung inano nila, ang tawag doon. Depende kasi sa pagdi-deliver ng ating mga riders. Kung naipit siya or ang tawag dito, nabagsak siya. Ayan. So, ayan. You'll open it. Ayan. Ayan. So, ito guys, ititinda ko rin siya, no? Pero, let's see. It's fine naman. I think it's fine. Dan sigurong crack tong mga to. So, I'm using scissor. Ayan. So, ito guys is 10 pieces ang binili ko, no? Inuman ng manok. Ayan. So, let's see kung wala namang damage. So, yung kinuha ko guys is 5 na blue, 5 na red. Ayan. So, these are the stuffed munchies. Okay? Ayan. Wait lang. Isa lang kasi yung, nagbe-video kasi ito isang kamay ko. Wala tayong kasamang mag-video. So, ayan. So, ito yung laman ng ating parcel. Ayan, guys. Yan ang ating parcel. So far, so good naman siya, I think. Ayan. So, ito siya, guys. Ayan. Actually, guys, inuman ng manok ang aking binili. Okay? Ayan, check natin. If they are fine. And, ayan. If they are in good condition, guys. Okay? Ayan. 5 na blue, 5 na red. But let's see yung bottles niya. If it's fine. Or kung wala namang cracks. Well, that's fine. Kasi kailangan ito ni seller. Okay, to check also kung walang sira yung mga items nila. Ayan. So, let's check. Okay. Kasi, pag babalik nga naman natin to at walang video, syempre, may mga doubts. Okay. So, ayan. We're going to open this. Ayan. So, let's check if there are damages, syempre, or cracks. Ayan. Pero kung wala naman, well, that's fine. Ayan. But we need to check kasi, guys. Ayan, kung may mga damage siya. So, I bought this online and let's see. Ayan. Yes. Yes, anak, you wait lang. Mama will just open this. Yes. Ayan. So, guys, so far, so good naman siya. Ayan. Thank you kay seller natin. It was actually wrapped with bubble wrap. Ayan. So, safety siya, guys. So, maganda yung ginagawa nila that they are using bubble wraps for items na ganito. Plastics. Kasi, guys, pwede kasing makrack or pwedeng masira. Ayan. So, let's check. One by one. Ayan. Ang ganda nito, guys, for your chicken. You can use this one para pag-inuman ng manok. Alright, so ganito ang kanyang itsura, guys. Ganyan. Alright? Okay, but we'll check first kung walang crack yung iba. Just to make sure. This is 10 pieces kasi. 10 pieces po ang mga ito. Ayan. 2, 2, 3. Ayan. We'll check para sigurado. 4, 5. Ayan. 6, 7, 8, 9, and yes, 10. So, complete guys. Wala naman pong damage. And thank you guys for watching. Bye!